should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Big Bob.
Scooter?
What's happening? Rock.
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we could play?
But Chef?
Is Verdi Mercy rocking the road? Verdi rocking the road.
Well, that was kind of a half-baked gag.
I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Peter and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced LIMO,
Hey,
actually.
how fast can I get the van here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, you should get going.
But what about all of them?
know how we feel about our band.
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone? Dude, get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
Assist your smaller rock stars. I believe I've thought of the best route to the concert. All right, look forward, look up, POV. Can you look up at the light to the concert audio?
Hey, gang, we got a spectacular delivery for you.